Hello and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I am Brian Fagan, and today we will be diving into a critical aspect of divorce that can significantly impact your financial future: reimbursement claims. Understanding how to handle these claims effectively can help you to maximize your rights and secure what you are entitled to during a divorce. When couples divorce in Texas, one of the significant considerations is the division of property. Texas is a community property state, which means that any property acquired during the marriage is generally owned jointly by both spouses. However, what happens when one spouse has used separate property to benefit the community or has incurred expenses that benefit the other spouse's separate property? That's where reimbursement claims come into play. To illustrate this concept, let's consider a scenario involving Emma and David. Emma and David were married for 10 years and decided to divorce. During their marriage, David owned a home before they were married. Emma contributed significantly to the renovations of the home, spending her own money to update the kitchen and the bathroom. Additionally, she paid for landscaping and other improvements that increased the home's overall value. Now, as they approach their divorce proceedings, Emma has every right to claim reimbursement for the money she spent on the home. Under Texas law, a spouse can seek reimbursement for contributions made to separate property or the other spouse if those contributions enhance the value of the property. In this case, Emma's investments not only improved the home, but also increased the market value. Therefore, she can argue that she is entitled to reimbursement for those costs. To file a reimbursement claim in Texas, the spouse making the claim must provide evidence of the contribution made. This can include receipts, invoices, or bank statements showing that the expenditures were made. Additionally, the spouse must prove that these contributions benefited the other spouse's separate property, enhancing its value. In Emma's case, she gathered all the documentation to support her claim, detailing how much she had spent on each improvement and how those improvements had added value to David's home. It is crucial to keep detailed records of any contributions made during the marriage, especially when they involve significant sums of money. If a spouse does not have sufficient evidence to support their claim, it may be challenging to secure reimbursement. For example, if Emma had no documentation of her payments or improvements, it would be much harder to prove her case in court. In addition, direct contributions, Texas law allows for reimbursements claims related to expenses incurred for the benefit of the community. For instance, if one spouse paid for the children's education or medical expenses that were initially intended to be shared costs, the spouse could seek reimbursement for those expenses as well. In Emma and David's case, it is also essential to consider any debts incurred during the marriage. If Emma took out money on a debt to make renovations to the house, she could potentially claim that debt as part of the reimbursement claim. The goal here is to ensure that each spouse leaves the marriage fairly for what they have compensated to their contributions or their investments. Another crucial point is to remember that the reimbursement claim can be negotiated during the divorce settlement discussions. Emma and David, through their attorneys, might decide to negotiate a settlement where David agrees to compensate Emma for her contributions in exchange for retaining full ownership of the home. This resolution can save both parties from prolonged litigation and help them to move forward more amicably. However, if negotiations fail, Emma has the right to pursue her claim in court. In this case, a judge will evaluate the evidence presented, including the value of the contributions made and the benefits received by David from those contributions. It is essential to note that reimbursement claims can be complex and require careful consideration of the facts, the evidence. If you are facing a divorce in Texas and believe you have a reimbursement claim or need help navigating your rights during the divorce process, seeking legal advice is crucial. We are here to help you to understand your rights and navigate the intricacies of Texas family law effectively. We offer a free 30-minute consultation to discuss your situation and explore your options. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable insights and information on family law matters. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to help you to achieve a favorable outcome for your divorce. And until next time, stay informed and take care. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.